Welcome to CSU Engineering. For the next couple weeks, our new student engineers will be building a Rube Goldberg machine. During this first subject in their uni career, they'll learn about sustainability and reliability whilst working in teams.
So throughout these 2 weeks, you are going to get to know each other. You're going to get to know me and the other academic staff. You're going to learn a little bit about engineering, and you're going to learn lots about how to be successful as a CSU engineer.
Rube Goldberg machine is an incredibly complicated solution to a simple task. This year's COVID-themed machine has the ultimate goal of injecting an orange. But along the way, their machine has to incorporate a number of features. It needs to have the university's logo. It needs to incorporate a step from a previous year's machine. It needs to pay homage to the Year of the Ox, and a step inspired by the Rube Goldberg comics of 100 years ago.
So you'll be broken into teams of 3 or 4, which we'll go find out which team you're in now. Your team will be responsible for 4 steps in the machine, and that must join to other teams.
And in 10 days' time, the public will be invited to watch the machine come to life. And I'm looking forward to seeing what they came up with. So let's go check it out.
For us, we had a lot of big ideas at the start.
We had a limit of 4, but we kind of went overboard, so we think we're doing about 10 to 12 machines all at once.
We may have had to make some major changes, but they haven't really changed the vision of our machine.
The most challenging would have to be the CSU water sign with pipes.
The most challenging part has been receiving the phone call from Group 3.
We've worked well together as a team, and yeah, we've had a few runs through it.
So our biggest challenge is this toilet paper. It keeps like falling off the table.
Trial and error of pulling the trigger on our Nerf gun.
It's been great. We've worked quite well together as a team.
Probably most proud of our chemical reaction step behind us here. It's a bit different from all the other teams, and it took a while, and we've incorporated the ox into it, so it looks pretty cool.
Pretty stable here until water fills up the bucket. And now this gear system, and it will fire a crossbow.
Proudest moment would be overcoming the challenge of allowing the basketball to pull on the string.
We're most proud of the pulley system, where the hand sanitizer falls from one bottle into the other bottle.
Jenga block collapse can be a bit inconsistent, so that's probably the most likely thing to fail on our machine.
The biggest issue is probably that Nerf gun triggering the start of our.
But it is a chance that the crossbow will miss.
Yeah.
So hopefully that doesn't happen.
It's been pretty enjoyable, the course so far. We've made friends.
I think it's awesome. I really do. I think
we're all working as a team, and
throw us straight in the deep end.
You wouldn't get this in any other uni.
yeah, we're pretty nervous.
Nervous.
But we're pretty confident too.
Hoping for 0 touches, but
Estimating 2.
Fingers crossed, it works. There's a few problems, but we're sorting them out.
Perfectly.
Perfectly, yes.
Yeah,
No problems. No touches at all.
I think we'll be fine.
Yeah, if it's anything like the practice runs, it'll be fine. No, we're 0 touch. 0 touch.
0 touch, let's go.
This degree is not like any other degree in Australia or in fact anywhere else in the world. Welcome, and it's my honor to start the machine, which is going to run flawlessly, I heard.
4, 3, 2, 1.